All right, guys, this is the Metabo 18-volt cordless hammer drill. I really like this thing. It's just small, compact, lightweight. For a hammer drill, it packs a lot of power, and it's very small. It's literally the size of my drill driver and my impact driver. And especially in a hammer drill, that's huge. We've got 22 clutch settings here, which are nice. Then you got, of course, drill, which opens the clutch up, and then you got hammer drill. You got 2 speed settings, first and second gear, and this will do up to 2,000 RPM, so quite a bit of power. Again, I love the fact that it's so lightweight. Forward, reverse, pretty standard. Down here you have your light, and this turns on when you pull the trigger. Variable speed trigger, again, a lot of power. It has 620 inch-pounds of torque, and by no means am I saying this is the largest one out there. You can find hammer drills with more torque, but they're going to be quite a bit bigger and bulkier, and they're going to weigh quite a bit more. Now, the one thing I do like, again, is that compact size. I have other hammer drills that have more torque, but the thing is they're large enough and they're bulky enough that I'm not actually going to use them for just the drill driver in most cases. The nice part about this is that it is small, and I can use this just as my normal everyday drill driver. And then for small jobs, if I really need that hammer drill, I can switch over. This thing doesn't weigh enough that it's going to hurt my wrist after a long period of time like a big bulky hammer drill will. So you can kind of carry this around and just switch it back and forth. That's what I really like about this thing, is just that compact size, the ability to kind of interchange it with my drill and use both of them and still have a smaller hammer drill whenever I need it. So to me, I think there's a lot of benefit in this. I like the fact that I can use this on a regular basis and carry it with me. So I definitely recommend this to anybody.